The last startup with the 180/30 injectors from Full Force. Lots happening this year. So you guys saw we dynoed my truck on stock fuel, stock injectors. It made 320 horsepower at 660 foot-pounds of torque. Now, I recently just installed a set of Full Force diesel, stage 1.5, 180/30 single-shot injectors in this truck with custom tunes. I'm actually pulling these out. Unfortunately, I'm not going to have a chance to dyno them. Number one, I just don't have time. Number two, we're getting rid of these injectors, and we're going to be trading them for something big. So make sure you guys stick around at the end of the video. Make sure you guys check out what we're going to be trading for. If you guys have any ideas, comment down below. Let me just tell you, it's going to give us more potential, and it's just a offer I cannot refuse. So I'll explain more later in the video. All right, so 30 minutes later, valve covers are off. I pulled the oil gallery plugs on the top of the oil rails, letting that drain out. But to pull the injectors out, went ahead and I numbered all these guys. Not necessary, but I like to know what hole each injector came out of. And really, if you guys are annoyed with those heater hoses, a little trick is take a bungee, go to the hood hinge there, or excuse me, go to the hood latch clamp, and then keep the hoses up off the passenger side. And really, I mean, once you guys get good at these injectors, pulling them out, and having a lowered truck, stock ride height truck, makes it so much easier. It's why I don't like lifting. All right, you guys, well, the cat's out of the bag. Got home late last night, went straight to bed. I was exhausted from driving almost 7 hours. But here they are. Yes, we went ahead and traded some injectors for some more injectors. Now, I know we just dynoed the truck, and I said we're going to dyno with the 180/30s in it, but this was one of those deals that came up that I couldn't pass along. The price was right, Bob. So I traded my Full Force diesel, stage 1.5, 180/30 injectors for a set of Full Force diesel, stage 3, 250, 200 over injectors. Yes, I went from 180/30s to 250/200s, and these are them here. Gentleman I got them from actually bought them, and he actually bought them from the original owner. So these are a 3-owner injectors, or set of injectors, me being third now. And I actually verified and, actually saw the transaction and everything. Gentleman that he got them from bought them brand new, and he actually had them in a sled pulling truck. Apparently he blew the transmission up. He did a DT466 swap. And then the gentleman I got them from actually got his first diesel, which was a 7.3. It was his first truck. He bought these thinking, hey, they'll fit great. But unfortunately, that was not the case. So, and he tows more often, and my truck's more of a street truck, as you guys know. That's really what I'm going for. And so we connected, and we ended up trading down in Cartersville, Georgia the other day. It was a long drive, my God. But anyways, so it's a little chilly outside, so we're in here on the counter, and I'm going to keep this oily mess on this mat here. Gonna go ahead and get all these old injector O-rings off, because I have a new set of O-rings. We need to go ahead and install these. And I do have custom tunes from Gearhead to get the truck up and running for right now. Obviously, you guys know I usually recommend DP Tuner, but for right now, just to get truck up and running, I'm going to be using Gearhead. Tried their tune out. I got their 40 over tow / economy. It's good for up to 10,000 pounds. It'll be good enough to keep these from getting oil starred, because we're on a stock H-pop still. All right, so you guys can see, they look like normal 7.3 injectors, but none of the bodies have any hot spots on them, signifying like a bad cup or getting overheated, anything like that. For being used, I'm gonna run them. Obviously, you can send them to Full Force diesel for about 400 bucks. They can flow test them, they can rebuild them for you. So there's always that option if we have one that's a dead hole. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get all these old O-rings off, clean all the old oil up, and I have some new O-rings we're gonna put on there. So, went ahead, got the truck moved in the driveway. Went ahead, got all of our O-rings installed. Very easy. If you guys need a recap, basically, you'll have a steel, a black, a blue, a pink, an orange, and then obviously you put these copper washers on at the end. Just some standard 5W30 motor oil. Definitely helps soften these O-rings up. They're much more pliable. So make sure you guys let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. And just to prove, we're putting 250-200 injectors in a 2002 PMR engine. there's a little proof for you. Right, hey guys, I know it's a quick video. I know a lot's happened off camera, but again, those 180/30s, they were great. Had them in the truck for about a week, I think. I traded that guy those 250, 200% over full force diesel injectors. Again, that's one of those deals you just don't pass on. So there's definitely going to be more content with towing with the 250, 200s on the 38R turbo. I'm sure a lot of you guys are curious about that. And again, we're rocking custom tunes from Gearhead. So make sure you guys subscribe, like, comment. Don't forget to follow me over at Powerstroke Boys on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.